And once momentum is lost, progress becomes harder. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for joining us again today on Wisdom Minute as we continue this conversation on lessons from the shark. We're looking at the fourth episode on this series. And what we're discussing today is what I call the shark momentum. Why stopping is killing your progress. Sharks don't stop. They keep moving across oceans for thousands of miles. Constant motion, constant searching, constant persistence, because stopping is not an option. See, that constant motion is very, very important. Now look at human life. Many people start strong, then stop. They get tired, they get discouraged, they lose momentum. And once momentum is lost, progress becomes harder. These small businesses shut down not because the idea was bad, but because consistency was missing. They stopped too soon because they refused to persist. But those who succeeded behaved differently. For instance, Elon Musk faced multiple near failures with his companies, especially in the early days, but he kept going. That persistence made the difference. Napoleon Hill explained how somebody stopped, just few meters before he could hit gold. The shark teaches us a simple truth. Success is not about talent. It's not about movement. Even slow progress is still progress. But when you stop completely, everything resets. So keep moving. Rest if you need to. Study if you need to. Keep moving. Or start again. You can't get something if you lose momentum. I hope you get lesson again from the shark. Till I see you on the next one. Thanks so much for your time. And by the way, if you are new to this channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, turn on the notification so that once we post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Until I see you in the next one, thanks so much for your time. Bye bye.